Hi everyone, I am Jamel Yamson Miroy, and now, have you ever wondered how those 28 letters we all know and love actually make all sounds in our language? It's more than just putting letters together, there's a whole system at play. In this video, we'll unveil the mystery of sounds correspondence, showing you the connection between letters and the sounds they represent. Get ready to discover the hidden logic behind our alphabet. First, let's start with letter A. The sounds of letter A is a, apple. Next, letter B. The sounds of letter B is b, boy. Next, C. The sounds of letter C is cat. Next, the letter D. The sounds of letter D is d, dog. Next, letter E. The sounds of letter E is elephant. Next, letter F. The sounds of letter F is fish. Next, letter G. The sounds of letter G is goat. Next, the letter H. The sounds of letter H is horse. Next, the letter I. The sounds of letter I is ilaw, but there is an English word that works for letter I. Just like for example, I is for ice cream. Next is letter G. The sounds of letter G is jam. Next is letter K. The sounds of letter K is kitten. And next, the letter L. The sounds of letter L is lion. Next, letter M. The sounds of letter M is monkey. Next, the letter N. The sounds of letter N is nose. The next is enye. Enye. The sounds of letter enye is nye, nye, niña, or niño. Next is letter NG. NG. The sounds of letter NG is nothing, nothing. The next letter is the letter O. The sounds of letter O is orange. Next, the letter P. The sounds of letter P is pig. Next, the letter Q. The sounds of letter Q is quail. Next, the letter R. The sounds of letter R is roast. Next is the letter S. The sounds of letter S is star. Next, the letter T. The sounds of letter T is tiger. Next is the letter U. The sounds of letter U is umbrella. Next is the letter V. The sounds of letter V is violin. Next is the letter W. The sounds of letter W is watermelon. Next is the letter X. The sounds of letter X is X, xylophone. Next is the letter Y. The sounds of letter Y is yuyu. Next is the letter Z. The sounds of letter Z is zebra. And that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.